Spring is one of my favorite times of year. I fell in love with spring when I was living in Switzerland and didn't realize what it represented until asparagus season opened up. And it was a sign that the long winter was about to end. So get your veggies, get your knife out, start cooking. Grilled asparagus with a fried egg. And don't sweat, if you don't have a grill, I'm actually gonna do it in a cast iron pan, so anybody can make this at home. Once you prep your asparagus, you're gonna blanch it in salted water, 30 seconds just to release the chlorophyll and get that beautiful bright green color on the asparagus. You're gonna take it out and put it into your hot cast iron pan with a little olive oil. The goal is to get some of that edge of the asparagus caramelized, so you pull out some of those sweet sugars. And then once you get that done, you're gonna fry your egg sunny side up, and then don't forget to hit it with a little bit of balsamic vinegar. Give it a little toss, throw it onto your plate, egg on top, shaved Reggiano, and you are good to go. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to make green garlic salsa verde. It's one of my favorite springtime dishes. So we're gonna take beautiful green garlic and we're gonna take the roots off and just peel that one outer layer on it, and we're just gonna give it a coarse chop. We're gonna take beautiful pesto Vertrano olives. We're gonna pick them and we're just gonna coarsely chop those. We're gonna take the zest of a Meyer lemon and the juice of it, and we're gonna mix it in there along with some chopped parsley and tarragon. And then we're just gonna hit it with a bunch of olive oil until it's like nice and wet and lubricated, a little bit of cracked pepper, a touch of salt, not too much because the olives are salty. And we're gonna make this delicious sauce that can be used on asparagus, roasted chicken, or pork. It's really indispensable. We're gonna make spring risotto. Most important thing is to make sure you have all your prep done ahead of time before you start cooking. And it's gonna happen really fast. And so here are the steps. We're gonna take our pan, we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil, butter in it. We're gonna get it nice and hot until the butter starts to bubble. Then we're gonna take our prep maitake mushrooms and we're gonna throw them into that hot pan until the mushrooms caramelize. And then we start turning them. We're gonna add our green garlic, and then we're gonna cook that until it's nice and tender. Then we're gonna hit it with some of our vegetable broth, throw in our par-cooked rice, and then we're gonna add our asparagus, and we're gonna let that simmer and come together until the rice releases some of its starches and gets creamy. And then we're gonna just turn off the pan. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of lemon zest, Parmesan, Reggiano, cracked pepper, butter, stir that up, put it on our plate. We're gonna sit down and we're gonna enjoy it. It's just gonna be absolutely amazing. I hope you enjoy the recipes that we cooked today. I miss you all. It's been such an amazing journey to share the food that I've been cooking at home and the food that I just love to eat. And hopefully you'll find some inspiration and feel that, you know what, I can do this too. And I believe in you and I know that you can. And happy eating to you all.